Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce Android Auto and Carplay on this special head unit BMW E90, E81, E82, E87, E88. Okay, you can check this UI interface. You can choose time, you can choose logo. You also can choose the BMW logo. Okay. Let me back the Belsee logo. Okay. You need to. There is the Android Auto adapter. Okay, let me open the box. Okay, you can check this user menu and adapter. Okay, let me check. This is Android Auto and this is iPhone Carplay instruction. Okay, this is adapter. USB. Okay. You need to connect the. Let me check the head unit at first. Settings. System. About machine, you can check model is PX5. Android version is 8.0 Autoradio system. Okay, let me back the home. You need to install AutoKit application in head unit. This is USB driver. There are 4 USB connection of back of head unit. Let me connect one with USB port. Okay, it will play music, apps, APK installer. You need to install AutoKit APK. If you have any more questions, you can contact us. Please click below. Okay, this is AutoKit plug and play. There is settings. If you working mode is speed, if you head unit doesn't connect the CarPlay or doesn't work Android Auto, please choose the compatible. Okay, you can choose speed. Compatible. Okay, this plug and play. Let me introduce the. If you have any more questions, you can contact us. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. Okay, this is adapter. Let me connect the back of head unit. Let me introduce my Android Auto. Introduce Android Auto at first. You can check this is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me check the settings. Button. You can check this Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me check the software information. You can check Android version is 8.0 Autoradio system. Okay, let me back. You need this USB cable from Samsung. Okay, let me connect one of USB adapter. This Android Auto kit. Connect. This connect back of head unit. Okay. The AutoKit apps, please allow below and click OK. Let me back to home and click Auto Keys. You need to install the Android Auto from your phone at first. Okay, this is USB from Samsung, original cable. When you connect, it will show connecting. You can check this Android Auto. Already connect the Android Auto on this our head unit. Okay. Let me check the. You will have Google Maps. You can touch control. Okay, you can make phone call. You need to pair the Bluetooth not connected, so you need to connect the Bluetooth. Let me pair the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth already built in our head unit. You can pair the Bluetooth. Let me check other function. You can listen to music. You can play Spotify and Google Maps Music, Spotify, Pandora. Okay, let me play the. There are no sound because I do not connect to the small speaker. You can click next. Okay. Then return. This is home. Okay. This is Android Auto. Let me show the Carplay. Okay, you need this is my iPhone XS. Okay, let me turn on. Okay, you can check this iPhone. Okay, let me check the phone. Please enable the press Siri. This must be turned on. This and this, okay. Let me check the general software. You can check this iOS 12.1 version. iOS, okay. This original cable from Apple. Okay, let me connect this USB driver. Okay, connecting. This USB. Okay, it will show connecting. Okay, there is Carplay. Okay. You can check this UI interface. You can touch control in your car. You can listen to music. This maps. You can touch control maps. Okay, and it's home. You can listen to music from if you have music. Okay, this is CarPlay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. And you can choose BMW and change this theme color, theme editor. You can adjust any color on this panel. Okay, that's all. Thank you.